Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're checking out these active dishwasher cleaner tablets. They did send this to us for free. However, I've been using these for a while now. This is my dishwasher, just one of these little portable ones. The first thing you want to do with your dishwasher, and this isn't just for portable ones, but you should have a little filter inside yours. Just like that, you can see it's got a little bit of gunk in there. You want to remove that, clean that out by hand, because these tablets aren't made for, cleaning out that really heavy stuff that's down there inside of that. So I'll go ahead and wash this out really quick. And then of course you want to put your filter back inside of there. And you could leave your racks and everything inside of here. However, there shouldn't be anything else inside of here whenever you use one of these. And then you're just going to take one of your little tablets here and you just place it in your dispenser like that. And then you're going to close it up and then let it run on a normal cycle. As soon as it's done with that normal cycle, you should be good to go. However, if this is the first time that you've used one of these, you may have to run it through a second time. But if you continuously use these, like once every 2-3 weeks, you shouldn't have any issues. Should help with all that buildup and stuff inside of there, which here in Oklahoma works really great. As you can see, there's not really very much buildup at all inside of this, and we have extremely hard water. So it definitely works really well. I highly recommend these ones here from Active. So go ahead and check them out.